If you've been following this series, we've already looked at how different seasons affect curly hair. Now, it's time for fall. As temperatures begin to cool and humidity drops, your curls may start behaving a little differently. So today we're going to look at how fall weather affects curly hair, what changes you might notice, and how to adjust your routine for the season ahead. If you continue using your summer routine into the fall, you may start noticing your curls behaving differently. Some people find that their curls hold their shape longer as humidity begins to drop. Others may notice more dryness, rougher ends, or an increase in tangling. You might also find that the lightweight products you use during the summer no longer provide enough moisture. These are usually the first signs that it may be time to adjust your product combinations for fall. As the weather shifts into fall, your wash day routine may need a little more moisture. As the air becomes drier, curls can start feeling rougher, less flexible, and more prone to tangling. During this time, the goal is balanced cleansing and slightly richer conditioning. If your hair is low porosity, a gentle shampoo and a moisturizing conditioner are usually enough. Lighter conditioners can provide hydration without leaving too much buildup. If your hair is medium porosity, a moisturizing conditioner may be enough for most wash days. Adding an occasional deep conditioning treatment may help maintain softness as the weather changes. If your hair is high porosity, deep conditioning often becomes more important. High porosity hair tends to lose moisture more quickly in drier air, so regular deep conditioning can help maintain elasticity, softness, and curl definition. Pay attention to how your hair feels after wash day. Fall routines usually require a small adjustments, not a complete overhaul. In fall, you may find that your curls respond well to slightly richer styling layers. As the air becomes drier, adding a little more moisture to your styling routine can help maintain softness and definition. For example, a routine might include a leave-in conditioner, a lightweight cream, and a gel for hold. The cream helps support moisture while the gel helps lock in definition. If your hair is low porosity, lighter creams usually work best to avoid buildup. If your hair is medium porosity, a balanced combination of cream and gel often works well. If your hair is high porosity, slightly richer creams may help retain moisture for longer. The goal is to maintain hydration while still preserving definition. Too much heavy product can still weigh curls down. Too little moisture can leave them feeling dry. Fall styling is really about finding that balance. How you apply your products can also make a difference during the fall. As the air becomes drier, application technique can affect definition, hold, and how long your curls last. If your hair is low porosity, applying products to damp hair may give you better results. Because low porosity hair absorbs moisture more slowly, applying stylers to soaking wet hair can sometimes dilute them, making it harder to get long-lasting hold. If your hair is medium porosity, products often work well on damped to wet hair, allowing even distribution while maintaining good curl clumping. If your hair is high porosity, applying products to wetter hair may work better. The extra moisture can help smooth the cuticle and support curl formation. Small adjustments like these can make a noticeable difference in definition, hold, and curl longevity throughout the season. Your refresh routine may also change as the weather cools. During the summer, refreshing often focuses on controlling frizz since humidity can disrupt the curl pattern. In the fall, the focus may shift towards restoring a little more moisture. A light mist of water or a diluted leave-in conditioner can help reactivate curls. You may also notice that your curls hold their shape longer as humidity levels continue to drop. That often means your refresh routine becomes simpler. Sometimes a quick mist and a light crunch are all you need to bring your curls back to life. As the seasons begin to change, you may also notice changes in your scalp. Some people experience dryness, flaking, or increased sensitivity as temperatures drop. Keeping your scalp healthy is just as important as caring for your curls. Gentle cleansing, regular conditioning, and an occasional scalp massage can help support overall scalp comfort. As always, pay attention to how your scalp responds as the weather changes. Fall routines also help prepare your curls for the colder months ahead. As the air continues to dry out, you may find that your hair benefits from slightly richer conditioners or deeper conditioning treatments. Making those adjustments gradually can help maintain moisture and elasticity before winter arrives. Instead of waiting until your hair already feels dry, you can start making small changes throughout the season. In my next video, we'll look at how winter weather affects curly hair, the signs it's time to switch to a winter routine, and the adjustments that can help protect your curls during colder months. Seasonal routines don't have to be completely different. Most of the time, it's the small adjustments, adding a little more moisture, changing your styling layers, or tweaking your refresh routine that makes the biggest difference. Your hair doesn't stop changing with the seasons, and your routine doesn't have to stay exactly the same either. As fall transitions into winter, pay attention to how your curls respond and let that guide the adjustments that you make. If you've already noticed changes in your curls this fall, I'd love to hear what you've experienced in the comments. And if you're looking for seasonal product recommendations, I'll have a companion blog post linked below, which will include products that work well in the fall transition. Be sure to check out my Pinterest for more curly hair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.